Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm good. So yeah, I hope so. So guys, let me quickly show you one thing that people are doing now. Okay. Do you know that you guys can make a lot of money buying from binance and selling to Luno or Pusha in Nigeria? So a lot of people have been doing this. They are doing this on a daily basis, on a steady basis that they don't want to show you. So guys, yeah, I want to expose a little secret that you can use to kill. And you can use to kill. Let me use that word, kill Luno cryptocurrency exchange, but you can't kill them because they are also making their money. So now, let me quickly show you something. Here we are on Binance. Let's wait for it to load. I want to show you one big secret that people don't want you to see. But I'm going to expose them today. How you can make 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, depend on your capital. Per day here in Nigeria. Yes, here in Nigeria. Okay, let's quickly search for Bitcoin. Okay, let's search for Bitcoin. Okay, I'm having issue with my. Okay, let's search for Bitcoin slash USDT. Let's search for it. I want to check the price. And compare it. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay. Here we are. The price of Bitcoin here is showing how much, guys. It's showing 19,000. Let me just. You see, yeah, this is what I want you guys to. It's showing 19,748. The price is fluctuating. You know that Bitcoin is not stable, and you can see now we are in downtrend. So the Bitcoin will be going down for now, but later it's going to rise up back because it has reached this resistant level here, this support level. So let's expect Bitcoin to shoot back to this side. So if you are holding your Bitcoin, don't panic, you can still hold it. But this is not what I want to show you guys today. Let me show you what I want to show you. So this is the price we are looking. This is 19,757, right? 19,757. Okay, let's quickly go to our calculator. 19,757. Okay, let me make 19,757. So let's go to our calculator. To do a simple arithmetic. Okay, 17,957. Okay, on Luno we have 17,000. On Binance we have 17,957 as the price USD. So actually as the price. Okay, times our dollar rate in international foreign exchanges. Let's say 425. Okay, you see now, guys. We are having 7 million. The price here is 7 million. If you convert it with this, okay. You now see Okay, now let's go to. Let me quickly go to. Let me quickly go to Luno. Let's go to Luno Exchange. Let's go to Luno. Okay. Let's go to Luno. Let me pause this video, then I'll continue it so that it won't take much of our time. Let me quickly go to Luno. Let's pause this. Okay guys, here we are on Luno. I've logged into my Luno app. On Luno, we have a lot of cryptocurrency here. We have BTC, we have SRP, we have Link, we have Uni, we have LTC, we have BCH, we have USDT, the stable USDC coin. Yes. So, but today we are not going to talk. I'm still going to show you some secret about all this cryptocurrency. So, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do that now. It's for your own benefit and for your sake, in order to lift you away from poverty. But if you like, you are just watching when we drop another update. So, you find yourself to be blamed for not subscribing to this channel earlier. So on Binance, we have we have seven seven million 631,772. Okay. Okay, guys. On Luno, we have 7,700,000 and something. Okay, now on Luno, yes, on Luno we are having 30,825,400. So you guys should just imagine the difference that is there. On Binance we are having 7 million, and on Luno we are having 13 million. So let me just say that's roughly 6 million difference. This gap, this difference between this gap is enough for you to become rich, to become a millionaire. If you can utilize this arbitrage, yes, this arbitrage, if you can utilize it, just simply go to Binance, okay? Fund your Binance and buy Bitcoin there and transfer it to your Luno wallet. When you get to your Luno wallet, you exchange it for cash and simply withdraw it to your bank account. It's not hard. Before there are restrictions on Luno that you can't withdraw, but they have rectified it. You are going to withdraw to Vasha. Guys, you don't have to sleep again. People are making money online. Okay? So this is just the little secret I want to share to you. If you can utilize it, fine. If you can utilize this, fine. If you cannot do this one, don't worry. We still have a lot of secrets to expose to you guys so that you can make money. You can make money. If your mates are spending cash, you too, you will be flamboyant to spend your cash. That's 30,825,000. So people are making money on it. So guys, thank you. If you are watching this video, I will tell you to subscribe because you are going to learn a lot of things from it. So bye for now. See you in our next next tutorial or next video. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Okay guys. This is the app that you'll be using. You'll be making use of Carbon Virtual Card. Okay, let me log in. Okay, it's trying to log in. I'm having a network issues here. We have to calm down. Okay, yes. You guys see now. Here we are on our Carbon interface. If you haven't registered, just go to Play Store and um, 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 and search on Carbon app. You will see it here. So you guys just register the normal registration. You verify your account with your BVN or your NIN slip, and yeah, you are ready to go. So let me take you to the card section. Then what you are going to do now, you will go to card. Yes, card. So it will show you this. It will show you this. Let's wait for it to load. This is our physical card, our normal debit card. This is our normal debit card that you can use to withdraw from POS. Yeah. But now we are not talking about this card. We are going to virtual card. Yes, this is virtual card, Carbon virtual card. It says a virtual card that gave you more easy funding, great value, global payment made easy, pay for service on any online platform worldwide, access foreign currency with your virtual card. You can convert your local currency to dollars. Okay, you can convert your local currency to dollars. Your virtual card can be stolen or lost. You can freeze it anytime for additional protection. Yes, in case of fraud, you are seeing people trying to hack your account, you can freeze it. So this is the latest card that people have been using that they don't want to tell you guys. So if you are among those that shop online, you subscribe for Netflix, you buy something on Spotify, you buy something on Amazon, you buy something on Walmart, eBay, etc., etc. Just come here and activate your virtual dollar card, fund your virtual card, and start spending on it without any limitation. Don't go to bank again. You don't need to frustrate yourself. Everything is easy. Carbon is best. I've been using this since last 3 years now, and it's working perfectly fine. This method, I don't want to expose it before, but I see that a lot of my Nigerian fellow guys are finding it difficult to make any purchase online. So that's why I said I should expose it today for you guys. So for my hard work and for my transparency and my honesty, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe now and comment anything you want to ask. I will be right here to respond for you. So on this Carbon too, you can also do other things. You can fund your account instead of using your bank account. In case of scammer, you can just come here, fund your wallet, add your money to it, and your money is there. You can use SSD code, you can add money with your debit card, anything. So, and you can also send money to anyone. Also, you can send money to anyone. You can buy airtime, you can pay bills, recurring saving payment, blah blah blah. They also give you interest on money that is spent. Imagine, look at my transaction here, and it says account interest for something. Let me say they gave me 6 naira, although it's small, but you just have to appreciate their effort for doing this, because a lot of our local bank here, they are not doing this. So guys, that is that for now. See you guys in the next video. Bye and have a nice day.